Building information modeling BIM services have become an integral part of Dubai's rapidly evolving construction landscape, revolutionizing the way projects are conceived, designed, and executed. At the forefront of this technological advancement is SCON Design India Pvt Ltd, a renowned firm offering cutting-edge BIM solutions in the heart of Dubai. With its extensive expertise and innovative approach, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted partner for architects, engineers, and construction professionals seeking to optimize their projects through digital transformation. SCON Design's BIM services in Dubai encompass a wide range of offerings, tailored to meet the unique demands of the Emirates' ambitious construction sector. Their team of skilled professionals excels in creating detailed 3D models that serve as comprehensive digital representations of physical and functional characteristics of buildings and infrastructure. These models not only enhance visualization but also facilitate better collaboration among stakeholders, resulting in improved decision-making processes and reduced errors throughout the project life cycle. One of the key strengths of SCON Design's BIM services lies in their ability to integrate seamlessly with Dubai's stringent building codes and regulations. By leveraging advanced software and industry best practices, they ensure that all BIM models comply with local standards, streamlining the approval process and minimizing potential delays. This attention to detail has made SCON Design a preferred choice for both local and international clients operating in Dubai's competitive construction market. The benefits of utilizing SCON Design's BIM services extend far beyond the initial design phase. Their expertise in 4D and 5D BIM allows for precise scheduling and cost estimation, enabling project managers to optimize resource allocation and identify potential bottlenecks before they occur. This proactive approach not only saves time and money but also contributes to the overall sustainability of construction projects, aligning perfectly with Dubai's vision for a smart and eco-friendly urban environment. SCON Design's commitment to innovation is evident in their adoption of cloud-based BIM solutions, which facilitate real-time collaboration and data sharing among team members, regardless of their physical location. This feature has proven particularly valuable in the context of Dubai's international project teams, fostering seamless communication and enhancing productivity across borders. Furthermore, SCON Design's BIM services play a crucial role in facility management.